Welcome to my channel, Ride and Roam. If you're into futuristic RVs, off-grid travel, and smart motorhomes, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving into 5 motorhomes that look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie, but these are real, and you could own one by 2025. Number 4 is absolutely insane. Let's get started. Starting us off at number 5, the Hymer VisionVenture. This futuristic van, built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, combines cutting-edge engineering with 3D printed panels and infrared reflective paint. The real showstopper, a fold-out rear deck, your personal sunset balcony. Inside, you get a floating bed, panoramic skylight, and smart storage that makes tiny living feel luxurious. It's a concept today, but closer to reality than you'd expect. At number 4, the world's first 2-story RV, the SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition. This motorhome from China literally expands sideways, creating a full-size living room. Then, watch this, a glass-walled pop-up second floor lifts straight out of the roof. It's like living in a tiny penthouse. On wheels. Touchscreens control lighting, climate, and even sense settings. It's high-end smart living. No campground required. Number 3 is the Bowlus Volterra, the world's first all-electric luxury travel trailer. Think aircraft-grade aluminum, regenerative braking, and a 100% off-grid experience. Its solar-powered system can charge itself on the road. No plug-in needed. Lightweight, eco-conscious, and built to glide, this trailer redefines what sustainable living looks like. Built for the wild. Number 2 is the EarthRoamer SX. This military-grade beast features a full carbon fiber body, 43-inch tires, and an onboard solar array. It's part luxury suite, part survival machine, and it doesn't blink at sand, snow, or mud. Inside, you'll find leather seating, a dry bath, and a full kitchen, powered by lithium batteries and a diesel hybrid. It's not just off-grid, it's off everything. Number 1. The Space Camper X, designed for the Tesla Cybertruck. This modular unit folds neatly into the Cybertruck bed and unfolds into a fully functional camping pod. You get a queen-size bed, a pop-up roof tent, a built-in solar panel, and even a mini kitchen. It's sleek, lightweight, and futuristic in all the right ways. Space travel might still be far off, but space camping? It's already here. From expandable glass rooms to solar-powered sci-fi pods, these futuristic RVs prove one thing. The future of travel isn't in the sky. It's on the road. Which one would you take for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more motorhome tours, RV tips, and gear guides every single week. This is Ride and Roam. Thanks for watching.